Take a picture when I hit it, Mama.
Nice shot, Geeks.
I want to practice a lot.
Very nice, Joshy.
That was
Okay.
good, Joshy. But, Joshy, I need to show you something. Try to do like this. Joshy, no. Joshy, look, I need to show you something. Try to do it like this.
Yeah. We'll come back here later. That's far downstairs. Just grab one of those and then get a net.
Look.
You can just grab
Look,
one
look
from the
how
store
I
and there you go.
look.
You could easily come here one day and be like, oh look, there's 2 of them. Let me take this one. Put that and then you get yourself your own little trap. Cause look at it, it's a nice thing. You go in here and you... Alright, all the way back, buddy, all the way back. Remember?
No, I need to do it.
Yeah, and then all the way back and then smash. Just don't move your feet. Keep your feet where they are. Because when you're swinging, you keep on moving your feet. So find this. Yeah, there you go. Let me hit one.
Yeah.
Very nice, Kira. Look at that. Yes, I do. I'm going to stay out of the way. Nice, Joshy. Good job, Geeks.
Big stops. Mama.
There you go. Nice shot.
Did you take a picture of it?
Yes. I took a movie of it.
I took a picture.
Yeah, I'm taking a movie.
To show Annette and Zoe. Annette and to Zoe.
Look at it go.
What do you want, Joshy? That club's too big for you, man. Use the one right here. This one right here.